입에 빵을 먹고 똑같이 하루를 시작하고 온종일 한 손엔 아이스 아메리카노 피곤해 죽겠네.
What did you say? Why are you so shy?
Where are you? We're in the car right now. What country? 중국사야. 중국사야. Bye-bye.
Yeah, and then get your hair and put it over behind your ears.
You can do this and this, or you can do the headband. I'll do like this.
Yeah. Don't be silly.
差不多了吗？我们这几个大人加小孩的。
어떻게 1, 2, 3 어떻게 하지?
1, 2, 3, 4.
2,
1, 2, 3, 4.
이 되는 거 아니야? 冰雪一 에? 1배? 2배 冰雪 중국 환타
I got it right.
冰雪맥주컵이야 이거? Open it, pull it back, hold it to the bottom. There you go, like that. Keep going. Woo!
그래서 나는 삼성 먹어? I can't.
Honey, you can eat it from mine. It's not in front of you because it's hot and it can be dangerous, alright?
Why not in front of them? 버섯 더 넣을 거야. Out to the beat. Some out to the beat. Sugar. Out to the beat. 버섯. Out to the beat. Out to the beat. Out to the beat. It's weird.
Whatever you want. 양고기인 것 같은데?
Out to the beat. Out to the
소. 양.
You mean the roly-poly?
That's delicious.
그거 뭐야?
What are you doing, Ben?
Ben.
I'm giving
Stop.
Daddy the roly-poly.
Don't do that.
나 이거 제일 맛있어.
The ingredients are just so fresh. Like the meat is really nice. For me, I really love lamb. This cut of beef is delicious, but this for me is the number one choice. This is out of this world. And having like your own personal little hot pot, it's cool. Just, this is mine. I can put whatever I want in. And when I'm ready to eat, it's perfect for me. This is a great start to Beijing. Everything's just so fresh. 最好吃.
나도 엄청 맛있어. Like, yeah? Cow meat.
Cow meat?
Cow? Beef. Why do you like beef? Because it tastes good. What taste? Oh, it tastes amazing. What's your favorite best? one. What is it called? Beef.